Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kevin Norris says searching tornado cash was it for international adoption. My wonderful thing that crypto needs more religion and less crypto cowboy. Like tornado cash, culture LAC participant. He suggested was a necessary separate to create stability for international inflows, clamping down on crypto alliances that mess with the primal forecast of religions in nurseries say short tech and host and millionaire ventures capitalist Kevin O'Leary, who argued the tornado cash and similar service and preventing real potential capital from coming into the space. In a discussion on crypto venture on Saturday, already also no. Mr. Wonderful suggested too that obvious like Ethereum based crypto major tornado cash are a part of crypto cowboy culture that Sultan have a place industry in such as already that view the crypto needs rules based everyone in under a textual intentional capital. Intentional capital the into the digital asset industry and much of these religions needs to step out protocol like tornado case which enable user to conduct anonymous transaction and treated potential agents. Agent in criminal activity in decision or really did not back down on his opinion regarding the areas of the tornado case characteristic forcible testing. In decision already didn't back down on his opinion regarding the areas of the tornado character electric first step testing. At the end of the day, it's okay to arrest that guy. Why? Why? He's missing with that primal forecast of religions. If we have to suggest him that okay because we want to have some stability it wanted international capital. The venture capitalist said, well, international interest, the digital asset sector continues to interest, they are not going to touch it while crypto cowboys are reading the French already and miss it that until you get rid to king crab, well, will be now. Stability in institutional capital, but he believes the industry is slowly but surely weeding out the cowboys. I think we are getting to that stage now. Maybe we are not in the trade for our engineering towards that, but in the trade of his crypto cowboys crap, I want to get influence in regulated place where we can bring millions of dollars to work. I don't need to be a crypto cowboy and I don't want to be on beats because I work in the regular world, but already opinions piles in the face of the statement from many the space the US government. setting of the Ethereum-based privacy tool was last week added many Insura crypto figures who defined to need a more basic privacy regulated on the distributed networks. Thank you very much. Thank you for attention. Thank you for watching. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you next time.